And lastly, here are the nominees for the Best Sounding Television. For the Best Sound in Television.
Amos, what are you doing?
Bulk ordering delivers significant profit margin.
See, importantly these days, I think...
And the AACTA award goes to... Stateless, Episode 1, The Circumstances in Which They Come. Tom Heuzenroeder, Pete Smith, Michael Darren and Des Kenneally. Congratulations.
We're very thrilled to win this Sound Award for Stateless. So we'd like to thank AACTA, Matchbox Pictures, and for the rest of the sound team, Scott Illingworth, Leah McEwen, Nick Steele, Amy Mullins, Colette Birrell, Josh Williams, Peter Ristig, Adrian Medhurst and Ryan Squires. Thank you, Cornell Wilczek also, who have a big hand in the sound design process. I'd also like to thank Emma Freeman and Jocelyn Morehouse, the directors on the show.
Producers love to thank Paul Ranford, Kirsty Stark, Tony Ayres, Kate Blanchett and Sheila Jayadev, and the amazing Elise McCready. Thank you very much. Thanks to my partners at APG, Anton and Carlo, and all of our loved ones for putting up with us in this slightly crazy industry we work in. And thanks to Dave Birrell too. Thank you, mate. Okay.
Thank you. Bye.